We're now going to move on and talk about the clinical development plan. Unless we have such a plan, if you are moving forward with a new pharmaceutical product, you'll end up all over the shop. You'll waste resources, you'll waste money, you won't build on the knowledge that you acquire and gain. So a well-structured plan, carefully thought through, is what we need. And the first thing we look at is what we call a target product profile. What do we want to say about our product when we've finished our clinical development process and we're ready to submit it for approval by the regulatory authorities and put it onto the market? And this is a very, very simplistic diagram of what a product development plan might look like. And I've run through the middle phase 1, 2 and 3 clinical trials, which we'll talk about in the next session. But feeding into that continuously are those toxicology studies that I've talked about, the formulation development that I've talked about, the analytical methods that have been mentioned, and the stability testing. The stability testing gets longer and longer the further down the development process that you are doing, so that by the time you get to phase 3, you will want available to you to have a review of is at least 6 months stability data, so that you can be confident that your product is stable over at least that period of time, and you'll keep reviewing it and updating it as the phase 3 trials carry on.